So if you're watching this will be the second video in regards to this multimeter. I have decided that I'm simply going to take it back. First off, it's well over a decade old, and when I took it to Hackerspace to get a bit of help with it, well, yeah. So to begin with, for the final part, someone at the space simply recommended just take a screwdriver to it, and after that it works. And I'm just going to do this out of plain old curiosity, but where is it? There you are. So I'll take this AAA and test out its voltages, which I'll have to switch this to. So first off, let's short the probe leads, and as you can see, it's now taking significant time to work out, which can mean one of two things: either there's something more wrong with this, or yeah, I don't know, or the leads are busted or something. Alright, so that seems to have zeroed out now. I pop this onto volts DC. So that seems to be measuring that okay. Now, when I plug this into AC, and I'm about to do something really stupid and dangerous, so I'm plugging it into a power outlet and turning that on. So this is currently only measuring something of about 36 volts when it's supposed to be about 240, 230. That was highly dangerous, so, you know, don't do that sort of thing. So it appears it may just be high voltage AC that's a bit sort of wonky, but as you can see, it did take a little while for this to zero out. That might also be why. Could just be the probe leads. So if I try that again, yeah, it's potentially the probe leads that are the problem. Anyway, what I'll have to do is notify people at the space and see what they want to do. But for the meantime, this I don't know, to be honest. I really don't know. So anyway, I just want to do a quick video. The final sort of straw to get this thing fully functioning was, turn this off, simply scratching away at these terminals with a screwdriver, which they appear to have become a little bit rusty. I'll have to remember to take these batteries out before I leave it at the space, just in case they get left in there for another 10 years, and well, you know, it just makes things worse. So yeah, that's fun with vintage multimeters. Honestly, I really would like to, I suppose it's that bar graph at the bottom that I'm finding interesting and fancy. My current multimeter doesn't have that, and I kind of would like to buy something a little bit more better, but I'm saving for something else right now, and I just don't want to simply drop ship. I'll drop and get that, or miss out on this, or yay. Anyway, I'm going to take this back tonight once I've finished up what I have to do here at the house, or the flat, or whatever. So yeah, this is it probably is the probes. Anyway, I'll be taking this back tonight, and I thought I might show everyone it working, but as you can see, it did rust off a bit. Yeah, I'm just going to call this a give up and just take it back. Anyway, hope you enjoyed. Oh, if you do actually do this to a multimeter that you want to use on a sort of regular basis, you can do one of two things. A hack with some wire and just link up the parts that are broken, or two, you could desolder the whole thing, but I haven't had much luck, as you would have seen in previous videos, with reassembling LCD panels, so that's another huge risk. Anyway, this desk is a total mess and I have a few things to do. Thought I might give this little video as a quick finish them up, and that's it. Anyway, I'll be off. Yibbity yibbida.